So I'm gonna be going through Nunchuck exercise number 1, and since this is the very first exercise, I'm gonna break down how to hold your nunchuck a little bit. So what you wanna do is you wanna grab one end, just put your thumb on the metal part, and then put the rest of your fingers on the foam. Notice how where the foam ends, my second finger is right there. And then I just wanna point the end of my nunchuck at my hip, and then my other hand should be at my chest right here. And then I just slowly want to start spinning forward right here. It's very important to make sure the nunchuck is going directly forward. I don't want it going sideways. I don't want it going all over the place. So like I said, just start out nice and slow, just spinning it forward. I don't want to move my entire arm. I just want to move my wrist. And then after a few spins of that, just want to start the same thing, but going backwards now. Same thing. Just my wrist is moving. I don't want to have my whole arm going all over the place. I want to have a nice tight circle with the nunchuck. Then once you get familiar with this, you can start speeding it up a little bit. Notice I'm keeping that same circle. And then once that's done, then I want to work on going from forward to backward without stopping. So if I'm going forward and I want to switch to backwards, I go underneath my arm in order to switch backwards. And then in order to go back forwards, I hit over my shoulder and then switch it back to forwards. So one more time, if I'm going forward right now, I want to switch to backwards, I go underneath. Now, since I'm going backwards, going forward, up and back to forwards. So here, 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 here. One more time, nice and slow. I'm going forward. To switch to backwards, I hit underneath my arm. And to switch back to forwards, I hit over my shoulder